I'm so sad. Whatever should I do? Life has no meaning. I can't derive any meaning in life.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Life has no meaning.
Well, why don't we just go to class?
That sounds like a good idea. I'll be there 8 o'clock sharp.
Random fact of the day, soda is actually very good for your health. You can just put it in. Hello, Anthony. Nice to see that you're on time. Okay, class. Today we're going to be going over derivatives.
I don't get this. Life has no meaning.
Man, why'd you walk out of class?
I don't get it. It's so confusing.
Well, let's go back in. Miss Hefflinger can help you.
Alright.
Alright, it's easy. The first thing you need to know is the derivative is the slope. Okay. Alright, so we're going to work on the power rule. Which is... Okay, so the power rule is where you bring the exponent down to the front. So it's going to be 3x, and then you drop the exponent by 1, so it's 3x squared.
Is this right?
Yeah, that's perfect.
What about the trig functions? What do I do there?
Okay, so do you know how many trig functions there are?
3?
There's 6.
Oh.
Okay, do you know the 3 that you know? Where are the 3?
I know what it is. I can help you.
Well, what is it?
Here. The 6 trig functions are sine, cosine, tan, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. For sine x, it's cosine x. For cosine x, it's negative sine x. For tan x, it's secant squared x. For secant, it's secant tan x. For cosecant, it's negative cosecant cotangent. And for cotangent, it's negative cosecant squared x.
Miss Hefflinger, I need your help.
What is it?
Phone number
Okay,
number 3 right here.
number 3. So for this one, you have to use the chain rule. Do you know what the chain rule is?
No.
I think we taught that before you came to class. So if the chain rule, you use it when you have more than one function in your equation. So let's say f of x equals
sine 5x. Derivative of the outside, leave the inside guy alone, then you take derivative of the inside.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Alright, there you go. That's how you do it. Any other questions?
No. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Don't forget to serve your detention for coming late.
Alright.
Joke?
No. I wonder how to take a derivative of a product. Product rule. Take the derivative of the first guy, leave the second guy alone. Plus, take the derivative of the second guy, leave the first guy alone. How to take a derivative of a quotient. Take the derivative of the top guy, leave the bottom guy alone, minus. Take the derivative of the bottom guy, leave the top alone, over the bottom squared.
Here you go.
Yes. Life has meaning. Let's have flanger. High five. Product rule. Quotient rule. Derivative saved my life.